This is a Redmi 3S. It's a 13 megapixel. Here we have a camera and flash. It's a 5-inch display. Resolution is 720 into 1280. It's a HD. And 2 GB RAM and battery backup is 4100 mAh.
May I help you?
I just opened the settings.
Configuration.
You can see this about phone. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, and it's a PPI pixel density is 294 and processor is octa-core 1.4 gigahertz, 16 GB internal memory and 2 GB RAM. We can extendable up to 256 GB also. Primary camera is 13 megapixel and secondary camera is 5 megapixel. OS is 6.0.1. There is no upgrade for OS. Yeah, I just take the pic. Yeah, I just doing the focus. Here we can do the manual focus by clicking where we want. You can see this.
I'm just saying configuration.
Yeah. Its dimension is 139.3 into 69.6 into 8.5 mm. Yeah, it's 5-inch display. PPI pixel density is 294. Here we have the notifications. Yeah, it's a torchlight. It's good. We can open directly settings also from here. There's the settings button is there. This is a Redmi 3S. It's nice. Yeah, we can hold in hand also. It's a 5-inch. Here we have a metal type body cover. There we have speakers. You can see here clearly. And this is a camera.
May I help you?
I'm just saying
and flashlight.
configuration.
Yeah, you can see here. You can see it's a headset port. And here we have a charging port also. And small speaker also is there. Can
అరే అన్నీ చూసుకున్నారా కరిబాబు లేదంటే పోన్లే సార్ మీరు ఏం చేయాలి
Yeah.
ఏం ఆగు
మీద పై రైట్ పై ఈశ్వర్గా ఎత్తికమంటున్నారు గట్టిగా వాడు చాలా షిఫ్ట్ అవుతాను వయసు
రవి